Today we're doing Crayola air marker sprayer. And we're gonna use markers like you've never seen before.
It's markers coming out of a sprayer.
Okay, now let's begin.
Oh, it also comes with these stencils.
We got ABCs and 1, 2, 3s, and we got some other cool symbols.
Like a dragon and a sun. And a very cool flame looking thing, whatever it is.
And this is like, you know, the A, B, C, D, E, F, blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, blah, 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 ABCs and 1, 2, 3s, blah, blah, blah. Okay, now let's begin. Now, some of these markers are from the set. Only 3 of them are from the set. And we'll show you them. We got
this one.
Yeah, only 5 of them are from the set. We got red, purple. Oh, stay. Okay, I'll just hold them.
Okay, I guess one was green here. Okay, so we can't find the other one.
Oh wait, no, it's right here. We also got green. I thought there was more.
Okay, wait. So secret, this is actually a color changer. So this one's special.
Okay, now let's begin. Okay, let's start with my stencil page. Now I'm gonna color it with this one.
What color is it?
Some reddish color. Well, I'm gonna use red just because I don't know what this color is. I'm gonna use blue.
Post it in the comment section below if you know what color that is. Post it in the comments.
Yeah, post it in the comment section below what you know what this color is. This sort of red, but this is normal red. Now, how this works, just in case you don't have it, this is how it works. So first, this thing turns it on and off. Okay,
So,
now here's how it works.
We place the marker in there and we turn this piece
And make sure it doesn't have a cap on. Because you have to, but you can't put it on like this just so you want it on. You can just put it like that.
Okay, so now let's begin. Now you push this button to start.
Okay, now
This will take a minute.
Okay, and
he's doing the sun.
see, so cool. Hi. Sorry, our dad has his phone. Oh, maybe he's recording us.
Thumbs up if you think this is cool. Bye. I'm not exiting the video.
Okay, now this is just a sneak peek of what it looks like. Then Evan will do his turn with this red when he does is E and E. So I'll do 3 things, Evan does 3 things. And now for a different color, turn it off when you switch your color.
Yeah,
Okay, now
turn it off.
Now next I'm gonna do yellow.
Now should we do it on the moon or something?
Yeah, I'm gonna do this one on the moon.
Here we go with number 2.
No, it was good the first time.
Okay, so and we're started. Roll it.
How come it started out a little red? Oh, because there's a red part on the bottom, so it looks.
So I guess it's in.
Yeah, this is actually gold.
That must be gold. Oh, gold is close enough.
Okay, now time for my third and final color, and my third and final stencil.
It's gonna be blue, and he's gonna do
It's gonna be dark blue.
Now let's do it like a dark ice dragon. The dragon's gonna take a minute.
Probably everyone does it in blue.
Okay, roll it.
No, this might be. Yeah, this is actually coming out real fast. Yeah, it's coming out real fast.
Now stand the lines as best as you can, but it's really easy to stand the lines.
Unless it's one like this.
This is gonna take longer than I expected.
Yeah, this is a nice dragon. And make sure to hold it up about. Make sure to hold it up about
2 inches away.
Yeah, about this high. As high to make it nice and neat.
Okay.
You missed the spot.
Close enough.
Yeah, close enough. Now, let's see what happens when I take the stencil off. See!
Comments below what your favorite is.
Comments below what your favorite
Okay,
is.
well, wait, actually no, before we said that, here it is.
Yeah, comments below what you think is. Make sure to post 2 comments because we're gonna have another one to tell you which one's my favorite, which one's your favorite from mine, and what your favorite is from Evan's. Now, here's mine. Pretty sure you guys vote for the dragon because I'm kind of guessing. Because that one's my favorite.
Guys, I'm going to do Annie and my name.
Evan, you said you were gonna do this color first.
Okay. I never said that. No, I'll do blue.
Yeah, you blue first. Now why he's doing it, I'll hold up mine. No, we'll hold up each other's at the end. I'll just watch him.
Okay, so,
Roll it! How's everybody doing?
wait. I have to get the stuff situated.
Do the do the edit of the color. Okay, and then we'll both do a team large. And then we'll do the team, I'll do the large. Boom. Ian, now my name. I'll do my name too. Oh, Ethan. Sorry. Okay, this one did this. And you'll let me do my name, right?
Of course.
We'll give some shout outs at the end. We're gonna give some shout outs. I know, first video was shout outs. It's just something I thought of. You missed the spot.
Okay.
Evan, you missed the spot.
Okay. Okay, now time for the end.
Kind of looks like it's written in like the language of like a zombie language.
Boom. Here we go.
Okay, now wait, let me do my name. And then we'll do a
Want to
team.
switch the color?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
With the purple.
Guys,
Yeah,
I'll start on the shout out. Shout out to Orlando, Troy, Jazz Marie, Lily, Cara, Logan, Graceland, and Mr. Paul.
Oh, a guy that works with that word.
Like I said.
Just in case you don't know who he is.
Okay, shout out. Wait, shout out to Jazz Marie.
You already did that.
Okay.
Shout out to Jonathan. Shout out to Jonathan, Matthew,
You and Abraham. And shout out to Dylan. Shout out to Nathan. Then a shout out to Jesselyn. Then a shout out to Michaela. And shout out to Gabby.
and everybody else, and any person in the class, even Miss Carpenter, every third grader in our school. Shout out to every third grader in our school. Okay, now let's begin with my name. I'm gonna show you something very interesting.
Right after this.
Roll it. Right after I write my name in green. Yeah. Ah. Sorry if I got some on you, Evan.
You didn't.
Eight. And use the N. Oh, I think this interesting thing only works on yellow and blue. Okay, but I'm gonna check if it will work on.
Introducing. Let me just find it first. The legendary color changer. Ooh. Ah.
That was pretty neat. I know, right? Okay, now let's just get to this. And now, we're not going to use a stencil for this.
All I gotta do is change the color. I think it's turning to a yellowish color.
Okay, yeah, we're going to do it on Evan's name.
See, it's turning Evan into a lighter green.
See, look, it's turning Evan's into a lighter green. Okay, but when I turned it off again, but first I'm going to switch it to red to show you what it does to red. Yeah, wait, no, I'm just going to do an example on the dragon. No, wait, on the sun. What's your example? On the sun. Looks like it's only working on the green. It does turn red. Oh wait, no, it turns yellow to red.
Okay, wait, is this a fail?
Yeah, fail.
Yeah, looks like the color changer was a fail.
Oh wait, hold on.
Sorry, I got that. But it works for Evan, but it works for the Evan name. Okay, so now we're gonna hold it up and see, and put in the comments which one you like best. So mine or Evan's.
Now, thank you so much for watching.
And make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Oh, and hit that notification button. And for the shout outs, post a comment below if we said your name.
So, and also, if you go to our school, and you're in the 3rd grade, and because I said every 3rd grader in our school,
that's where you'll find it. So, TEEM, LarGe out. Bye.